It's a LG dishwasher. Common problem with this is the cracks on the corner. Display does not fully light up. I purchased a new panel. No cracks. Get my display working again. First thing you want to do is take the front panel off. You have screws that go all the way around. I'm going to take them off one at a time, and I'm going to lay them out the way they come out in case any of them are different. I removed all the screws except for the one on the top. So once you get the screws out, the panel comes right off, so be careful. This connector's plugged into that circuit board. All you have to do is squeeze it, take it off. So I'm going to replace this too. That's the LED lights in the front. One display goes out. I don't have a lot of faith in the other one, so unplug it from the circuit board here. Remove all the wires. Just take them out. This pops out and pops in. This pops out and pops in. We'll unscrew these. Unscrew the circuit board. Take it off. Unplug these from the control panel. This just pops out. Move that out of the way. I'll take these two screws out next. We're going to remove this panel. You want to take this out. Very simple. Push back these two tabs. Just pop it out. Take these out. Keep the screws next to it so we know where they go. In order to get this panel out, it's going to slide this way. Bend this tab up over here. This tab up over here. That'll allow you to pull it out. And then it will slide out. Pull the panel out. I'm going to put the new one in. Put it all back together. You slide it in. Take this tab. Bend it back down into the plastic. That snaps into place. Same thing over here. You're going to put your panel back on, put your screws in, hook all your wires back into their retainers. Going to put the front display in, put the same back together. And snap that back in place. Come over here and plug it into the circuit board. It's all plastic, so I'm not going to use a drill driver. Then once you snap this in, you push these back in. They're a little tight to get in. There are no threads. You're basically making them as you go in. Just be careful. It's ready to go back onto the dishwasher. And you want to make sure you don't forget to put the connector back up. I'll slowly open the door, holding the bottom. Make sure I get the bottom screw lined up, screwed in. Not all the way tight just yet. Make sure everything's set right. Sitting nice and flush. Before I put all the rest of the screws in and tightened up. I don't use a drill on any of these. Okay, everything's back together. Door shuts nice, opens. No more cracks. Looks pretty nice. Go ahead and power it up. All displays coming up. I think we're back in business. No more crack. That's it.